Have you ever heard about the incubation effect? Hi, my name is Bhavya, and through these videos you'll find a lot about psychology, spirituality, consciousness and a lot of related topics. Incubation effect in psychology is a phenomena that helps you to get to a solution without thinking about the problem. So according to this, when you take a break from the problem in hand and engage yourself in an activity which is absolutely unrelated to that problem, you end up allowing yourself to come to a solution faster than you would have ever thought. And for that, you can engage yourself in any activity as you like. Maybe go take a walk, talk to a friend, watch a movie, or maybe another task that is more important for you at that point. Or most importantly, try pooping without taking your phone inside, because that is the place you get the most solutions. Try this today and let us know in the comment section if this worked for you. And for more information or booking one-to-one sessions with us, you can contact us through our website or our Instagram page.